Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you if it's possible to change the time zone on Metatrader 5. Let's begin. Now, as of the moment, I hate to break it to you guys, but Metatrader 5 does not allow you to directly change the time zone within the app. All right, because the platform automatically uses the time zone of the broker's server, which is typically based on the server location or a specific time zone set by the broker. Okay, so if you go to the top left corner, when you can see the hamburger icon beside the codes, you would notice you have an option to go to the settings. However, you cannot find any option here to change the time zone. You only have like an option to change the language, tablet interface, theme, and a lot more, or the OTP and lock screen. But for changing the time zone, you don't have that. But I believe you have that option in the previous version of the MetaTrader 5. And after the update, they removed that feature. Now, if you go to the MetaTrader 5 platform on the desktop application, you see same thing, right? Windows, there isn't like an option for the time zone, really. New chart, there isn't. But what you can do, even if you go to the help section, if you click the help topics right here, if you type in time zone, all right, say search time zone, you see there's no topic. Even if you go to their customer support, you would notice that there isn't a possible way for you to change the time zone. It's always set as default as MGT plus 3. All right. If you go here, you will be forwarded to this section. But again, the time zone can't be changed. The reason behind it was the brokers were located in the different time zones. In some cases, certain parts of the same charts were significantly different in spite of a small difference between time zone. All right. So basically, that's your answer for the question. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.